Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad exponential equation problem. So here we have 49 to the power of c minus 49 to the power of c minus 1 equals to 16,464, and we solve this problem for the values of c. So here first we apply the exponent law here. You know that if we have a to the power of m minus n, we write it as a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of minus n. So first we apply this exponent law on this term only, and after that we use here another exponent law. So here you know that if we have a to the power of minus n, we write it as 1 over a to the power of n. So here we need these two exponent laws in order to simplify the above equation. So here first we break the exponent of this term, and it will be written as 49 to the power of c minus, according to this rule we write it as 49 to the power of c multiplied by 49 to the power of minus 1, and this is equals to 16,464. And after applying this rule, we need to use here this rule on this term. So if you have the negative exponent, when we move in the downside, it will becomes positive, and it will be written as 49 to the power of c minus 49 to the power of c into 1 over 49, and it is equals to 16,464. So further you see here we have 49 to the power of c be the common term, so that now we take common 49 to the power of c, and the remaining terms are, so from here when you take common this term, here we get 1 only, minus when you take common 49 to the power of c, here we get 1 over 49, and this is equals to 16,464. So here we need to take the LCM of this term, and now you see here this is 1, and we divide, we can divide it by 1 also, so it will remains 1. So in order to make the denominator same, we can multiply 49 on and divide by 49 on this term, and it will be written as 49 to the power of c into 49 divided by 49 minus 1 over 49, and it is equals to 16,464. So further in the next step, here we are ready to take the LCM of this term, and it will be written as 49 to the power of c. So here we take the LCM. After taking LCM, we get its denominator is 49, and we get here 49 minus 1 into, this is equals to 16,464. So after that we need some simplifications, and we write it as 49 to the power of c into 49 minus 1 equals to 48 over 49, and it is equals to 16,464. So because here we need to solve this problem for the values of c, so in order to find the value of c, we need to move this 48 over 49 to the right hand side. So here we can just multiplying both of the sides by 49 over 48. So when you multiply both of the sides by 49 over 48, so that our above equation is written as 49 to the power of c into, here we have 48 over 49, and it is multiplied by 49 over 48, and it is equals to 16,464, and it is multiplied by 49 over 48, because we multiply 49 over 48 on both sides. Okay, so after multiplication on both of the sides by 49 over 48, and here we need some simplification. You see here this 48 is cancelled out by this 48, and this 49 is cancelled out by this 49, and we will obtain in the left hand side is 49 to the power of c equals to, here when you divide 16,464 by 48, so after division of this number by 48, you will get here 343. So here you can just use the method of division, a traditional method of division which you can learn in your primary classes, and you can easily do this division without using the calculator. If in your examination calculator is not allowed, then you can easily do this, but if you have a calculator is allowed, then you can do this step for calculator by using the calculator. Okay, so here you have 343 multiplied by 49. So we have, these are the two remaining terms, and now we need to find the prime factors of 343 and 49, and we know that the prime factors of 343 are 7 to the power of 3, and the prime factors of 49 are 7 square. So here we need another exponent law. You know that if we have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m plus n. Here we use this exponent law in the above term. And now you see here in the left hand side we have 49 to the power of c equals to, after applying this rule we can write our right hand side as, we just add the exponent of these two terms, and you see here 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So because in the left hand side we have our base is 49, so we write this 49 as 7 square, and its exponent is c, and it's equals to 7 to the power of 5. After this step we have, uh, we need to multiply these two exponent according to this exponent law. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by n. So now we apply this exponent law in the left hand side, and we multiply these two exponents, and it will be written as 7 to the power of 2c equals to 7 to the power of 5. So after this step, here we need another exponent law. You know that if we have a to the power of m is equals to a to the power of n, so this implies that m is equals to n. So according to this rule just stated that if you have two numbers are equal but its bases are same, so we equate its exponent. So here you see that these two bases are same, so we equate its exponents and we write it as 2c equals to 5. So finally we have the value of c is equals to 5 divided by 2. This is the our final answer of c. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.